We'll go through it again. So we have, so we have what we call a frequency table, right? And in the frequency table below, we have three colors. We have a column called tally, and then we have a column called frequency. So you could tell me what tally means? When we take a tally of something, what are we doing?
It means how much it have.
Right, it means how much it have. And with tally, we use strokes, so that's why we see these little vertical lines here, right? We see these vertical lines here. So the frequency is counting how often something is occurring. So it ties in with your tally, right? Because if your tally is telling you how much there is, the frequency is going to tell you how frequently it occurs, and that's why you notice that your tally is equal to the number in the frequency column. So we have 3 strokes, we have 3 for the frequency. Now with tallies, right, we know that we would normally use a stroke to represent 1. But what happens when we get to 5? What do we normally do? Is put the line to kind of show like a bundle, right? This line and cross in here, right? So this is 5. So whenever we see 4 strokes, 4 vertical strokes with a diagonal across it, this is a bundle of 5, right? So 5 and 1. How many do we have in total here?
6.
6. So in that frequency column, what are we going to write?
6.
6. Alright? And we could verify that we're correct because we know that when we count the tally strokes, it must be equal to the number in the frequency column. And here we have 2, and here we have a number 2. Right? So whenever we see a tally chart, right, a frequency table, the tally chart is you use strokes to represent how many there are, right? And when we get to 5, we'll do a vertical line across the 4 strokes to represent 5. And we said that for frequency, that frequency number must be equal to the number of tally strokes, right? So frequency tables are nice and easy to work with.